The Genesis GV70 and GV80 front-load engineering. Watch every component assemble live on this table. The complete chassis ghost appears. See the skeleton that holds every critical system in perfect alignment. Teacher hand signals assembly start. Watch closely as each part appears, functions, and integrates. 8 core systems revealed. Today, we build, operate, and disassemble every major component. Crankshaft appears first. Forged steel, 82.5mm main journals. Cutaway reveals grain structure. Forging aligns metal fibers for maximum fatigue strength. Piston meets crankshaft. 3 compression rings seal combustion. Reciprocating motion converts to rotation. Stroke 96.8. Bore 86.5. 3.5-liter total displacement. Cylinder head arrives. Dual overhead camshafts, 16 valves, optimized port geometry. Camshafts drop in. Hollow steel saves weight. Hydraulic lifters auto-adjust clearance constantly. Twin-scroll turbocharger. Exhaust gases spin turbine at over 100,000 RPM. Oil journal bearing inside. Pressurized oil film floats the shaft. No metal contact. Equal length exhaust manifold. Each cylinder's path matches precisely. No interference between pulses. Flange mounts to cylinder head. Multi-layer steel gasket seals combustion pressure. Intercooler reduces air temperature from 180 to 50 degrees Celsius. 22 fins per inch. 65mm core. Turbulators create maximum heat transfer. 6-hole injector at 70 degrees. Direct injection at over 350 bar pressure. Solenoid lifts needle. 8 amps current, 2.5 millisecond pulse width. High pressure fuel pump. Cam lobe drives plunger. 350 bar to injectors. Pressure relief valve protects system. 24mm fitting torqued to specification. Torque converter multiplies torque at launch. Lockup clutch eliminates slip at highway speeds. 2 planetary gear sets. First gear, 4.8 to 1. 8th gear, 0.67. Wet clutch pack. Steel and friction plates. 15 bar hydraulic pressure clamps them together. Transfer case splits torque. 40% front, 60% rear. Silent 52-link chain. McPherson strut front suspension. Coil spring supports weight. Internal valving controls damping. 5 lug nuts at 110 Newton meters. Control arm bushing voids tuned for compliance. 5-link rear suspension. Each link controls 1 wheel motion. Negative 1.2 degrees camber. Shock absorber digressive damping. More force at low speed, less at high speed. 4-piston fixed caliper. 42mm pistons clamp 380mm disc. Electric power steering. Motor assists rack movement. Variable assist based on vehicle speed. Torsion bar measures input torque. Motor provides up to 8 Newton meters of assist. Coolant loop circulates continuously. Thermostat opens at 90 degrees Celsius for cooling. 6-vane impeller pumps coolant. 95% efficiency, 1.5mm microchannels. Absorbent glass mat battery, 12.6 volts stable. Alternator recharges while driving. Alternator produces 3-phase AC. Diode trio rectifies to DC. Voltage regulator maintains 14.5 volts. Fuse box protects circuits. 20-amp fuse blows on short. Replace and circuit restores. Engine control unit brain. Microprocessor reads sensors and commands actuators. 136 pins. ARM Cortex microprocessor. 65 degrees Celsius. Heatsink dissipates thermal energy. Complete powertrain assembled. Every system integrated. Fuel, air, exhaust, coolant, electricity flow together. Peak torque, 420 Newton meters, 300 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Disassembly begins. Transmission, turbo, head, crank. Every part returns to storage. Genesis GV70 and GV80. Build, operate, disassemble. Engineering demonstrated live. Thank you.